Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we have here this Giulietta and I want to remove here the alternator because I need to replace here this pulley, and the best way to do it is like this, okay? I'm just doing here the timing belt. If you need a video for that, it is down on the description. It is the same for the 1.9 and 2 liter engines, for the 159, for the 156, whatever it may be, or even this one, okay? It is exactly the same procedure, okay? So I'm taking advantage here of this disassembly of the engine mounts to reach there the alternator. It is still not very easy, but it is truly much easier than doing it from below, really. So let's get to it. So first things first, you want to remove here the negative cable from the battery. Make sure that when you put it back again, it clicks, okay? Next, we want to take out the wires that go to the alternator. You can do it from that gap. For that, I will lower a bit the engine to be able to create a little bit of a bigger gap over there. And also take advantage of that to take out the top bolt of the alternator. These ones do not have any washers, apparently. One last thing to fall down. Now we have these two top bolts over here. One you can just get it loose a little bit, and the other one you have to remove it altogether. The socket, it is E18 internal Torx, 18. Top bolt just loose, and remove the bottom one. Be careful with wires and connectors and plugs and pipes, hoses. Raise it up until you feel some resistance. Then you stop, of course. Next, you want to take out the bottom bolt, but as you can see, it has here a bracket. So remove the bracket, okay. Probably in this way, you already have space to put a tool over here. But from my understanding, those tools without the impact gun normally do not work all that well. And this video will do for the replacement of the alternator, even though I will not replace the alternator itself, just the thing over here. But you get the drift, right? What, 18 maybe? Do not know if it has a nut on the back side. I hope not. I think not. And I think not. Now you have the weight of the alternator on the bolt, so try to grab it. If you have some corrosion, please apply a bit of some product that you may like. This method was not invented by me. It was a video that I saw on Italia Autos, the YouTube channel, and I'm not responsible for this discovery. I'm just repeating here what I saw online on Italia Autos. It is an YouTube channel. Okay, but from what I saw, it is just did a short, and I'm doing here a full video for this. If he has a full video, I'm sorry, do not want to take out your audience. Okay. Now, on some pulleys, you may have here some washers or some spacers, and on the new one, you may also have it or not, depending on the modification that you may have. The problem with this pulley over here, instead of freewheeling, normally they lock up. This one was locked up a little bit, not too much, but it was spinning to both sides. So the alternator was not spinning as it should, not charging the battery correctly. Just a little bit. This requires you to have a special tool. You have various types of tools to engage on that center shaft over there. You can try, okay, but normally they snap off or something, and so I do it like this all the time, okay? Now do not forget the cover. Normally they are in the brand of them. This one is Sytems, even from factory, and the one that I put in here is also Sytems, even though it comes on in a box. I'll test it. It is all okay. I do have various videos for this, how to test it, and as it is here, you can do it again. So to the right, it has to lock up. To the left, it has to let go. It is a bit weird that the smaller bolt is on the bottom side, but it is what it is, and in fact made the job a lot easier. Now the camera is in the way, so you can put a hand over here to hold down to the weight of the alternator. With the other one, start the bolt. Do it almost all the way, and then do the upper one. In here on this car, I'm also doing a video for a very awful idle, and I did replace some stuff. It was bad. So if you want to check out that video, it will be down on the description. Now insert in the alternator to put in the top bolt. Screw it in. You can now lower the engine, it will be for the best, I believe. Just enough to open the gap. About 40 Newton meters. Raise up again to the bottom one and put the bracket in. As the engine is a little bit raised up, this hose is not really in place, so you want to adjust that before yeah. And here you go, how to replace the alternator or the alternator pulley on a Giulietta with a 1.6 multi-jet engine. If you want to stick around to see a little bit more of the video, I will here assemble a little bit here the rest of the timing job. I mean here the covers and the engine mount. And I see you next time, guys. Bye!